Assalamualaikum and a very good morning. For this morning, I will show you how to create a postcard. So this is my postcard. Alright. Usually, postcard has two pages. The first one is front page and the second one is content page. So we go for the front page first. Right, in the front page, I want you to draw any pictures of Malaysia, any pictures about Malaysia. You can draw Jalur Gemilang, KLCC, food of Malaysia, and many else. Anything that can identify of Malaysia. So that is front page. Now we go for the content page. In content page, the first one, you do the salutation. Salutation in Malay kata alu-aluan. Okay, for example, Dear Valencia. Valencia is my friends, my international friend. So what is your international friend? You do Dear your international friend names. Okay, the second one, content or body of postcard. What you want to write in your postcard. For example, this is my content. In content, you can copy and write the content from your Supermind book, page 115, activity 1. There are 3 content here. 1, 2, 3. You can choose any content that you like. Okay. Right. Now, after content, there are closing. For example, by Fatimah. Fatimah is your name. You can change Fatimah to your name. For example, by Adam. By Sarah. Okay, now we go for the next side. Okay. Next, stamp. You can draw any types of stamp here. Below the stamp, you write your recipient address. Recipient address means alamat penerima. So, alamat your friends. For example, Valencia Rooney, 45 Park Street, 57200, London. Okay, so that is how to create your own postcard. I hope you can do well. That's all from me. Thank you.